Here's how to delete a ringtone on your iPhone. Now, if you have a custom ringtone, maybe you created your own ringtone in GarageBand or you downloaded one from iTunes, you can always delete it and switch back to a custom ringtone that you choose, maybe a different one, or back to the default if you want to as well. So to do that, let's hop into settings and we'll scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. Now you can see right under sounds and haptics is ringtone. Let's tap on ringtone here. And you can see right under ringtones, reflection default is the default Apple ringtone for your iPhone. But right above it are any of your custom ringtones. And if you wanted to remove any of these, all you have to do is just swipe to the left and hit that delete button and it will remove it from your ringtone library. So I can go through and delete any of these, keep swiping to the left and hitting that delete button, and that will remove any of these other ringtones. Keep in mind, if you did download it from the Tone Store, all you have to do is hit this Tone Store again, and then tap on downloads. If you wanted to find any of your downloaded or purchased ringtones, if you want them back, you can just find them in here and you'll be able to use them again. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.